lots of prizes in the upcoming days.
This is a diverse culture. It's not just Filipinos listening to us.
I know you guys are dying to get cinema tickets.
When I was your age, I never thought about these things. Hey, good afternoon once again. We're coming to you live from the JC Premier office in Al Sadd, Doha, Qatar. This is Live on Cue. You got me, Francis. I'm your host today. And with me would be Miss Teen from the Teen Talk Show.
Hi, everyone.
Of course.
Welcome back.
All right, palakpakan natin si Miss Teen. Ayan. And of course, this afternoon won't be complete without our special guest. Let me give you a brief intro about our special guest for this afternoon. The former HR manager and now a senior international franchise consultant and JC speaker and wealth builder circle. Wow. Please welcome Ma'am Phoebe Candido. Good afternoon to you. How are you doing today?
Oh, fantastic.
Wow, fantastic. I like the answer. Fantastic.
Yes.
But I can hear the background music. Can we lower down the volume of that? Can somebody?
Yeah.
Okay,
Can
anyway. All right. Narinig ko kasi yung audio ng ano eh. Naririnig ko. Yeah, just the volume of the
volume.
Yes, above it. By the way, for those watching at home, good afternoon po. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. We're here in Doha, Qatar today, and we're about to talk to Miss Phoebe about her journey and, of course, the wonderful life within JC Premier.
Yes.
But to get us started, of course, we wanted to know more first about Ma'am Phoebe. Can you tell us more about yourself first?
Well, as you've said, I am, of course, an OFW.
Yes.
Former HR manager for 10 years.
Wow.
Yes.
Tagal na, ha?
Yes, sobrang tagal.
Wow.
Espalto pa ang Qatar. And iisang building pa lang yung nakatayo rotana.
Wow.
Di ba daming roundabout before?
Ay, nako, sobra.
Okay,
Sobra.
if I hope you don't mind if I ask you this, because how long have you been here?
In
in
the
Doha.
business,
Yeah.
In
In
Doha,
Doha.
15 years.
15 years.
Wow.
Taka muna, nagka-calculate ako. Ito ba yung panahon na Sheraton pa lang yung nag-i-exist?
Tama, correct. Sheraton na
Okay.
Turkana.
How was life before in Doha? Before everything, all this construction and developments. Ano ba yung itsura ng Doha before?
Before, nako ba, mamaya may mano ako. No,
Hindi
before,
naman.
it's just normal.
Yeah.
Normal. So, wala pang mga malalaking building.
I see.
So, the usual life of an OFW, work, home, work,
Work, home,
home.
work, home.
Yeah.
And when you got here, ano po yung pinakaunang trabaho niyo?
Actually, I only work for one company.
Oh, until
Wow.
today?
For 10 years.
Wow. That deserves a round of applause.
Yes.
You're so loyal.
Loyal. And mali yung pagka-loyal.
Parang ano ha, maling
Yeah.
maling na.
Okay. All right. Can we divulge the company or hindi? Wag na lang siguro.
Short, it's a construction company
Okay.
actually. So, ako yung nag-build actually dito
Wow.
sa Qatar.
Wow.
So,
Amazing.
we are actually a branch, Emirati branch. We are
I see.
100% foreign company. And ako yung nag-start from 1 to hundreds of employees.
Wow.
So, I do
Pioneer.
not only the HR, I do all the operation. Kumbaga, multitasking, alam mo naman, pag
I see.
Pilipino, multitask tayo, di ba? Sa isang sahod.
Ilan lang yung population ng Pinoys during those times? Like the past
Siguro
15 years?
Less 200, mga
And
less
I see.
200,000.
Right now, 300 plus na tayo?
300 plus,
Yes.
Tama.
So,
Okay. And then back then, how does it look like in terms of opportunities? Yung mga ganito, mga MLM, anything on the side hustle, kumusta yung itsura nung panahon na yun?
before kasi focus ako sa work ko.
Okay.
Ayun.
Okay.
Focus
okay.
ako sa work ko kasi nga ako yung in charge dito. As,
I see.
parang I have all the position na yata na binigay ng company. Pag kaharap ko yung bangko, I am finance manager. Pag kaharap ko yung commercial director, I am a commercial manager.
Slasher.
So, ganun tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Ganun
Yes.
tayo inaabuso nila. Yung kakayanan natin, di ba?
Ano tayo, all around.
So, all around. So,
All
actually, hindi ko nagagawa yung business.
Yeah.
Kasi I devote myself. Even yung family ko, hindi ko na nabibigyan ng
To
oras.
working talaga.
Pero kung saan ako nagsayang
Mhm.
ng panahon, doon ako nagtapo ng buhay ko.
Wow. Ang lalim doon,
Ah,
ah.
ang lalim.
Yes,
Parang
kasi
napapaisip tuloy ako.
wala
Nagtatapon
yung-
ba ako ng buhay ko?
Diba? Kasi,
Ayoko magsabi.
would you imagine, 10 years mo binild yun.
Okay.
And then, one day, you wake up
Yeah.
like this.
Gusto ko yung ganon.
You wake,
Okay.
you woke up and nawala lahat.
I see.
So, I realized, yung pa lang,
Mm.
pinaghirapan ko, binigyan ko ng lahat ng effort ko, yung oras ko, tinutulugan ko pa yung company ko pag may mga projects. So,
Okay.
sa mga nakaka-relate mga engineers dyan, pag may bidding, napakahigpit na mga biddings natin. No?
I see.
So, talagang lahat ng oras ko nandoon.
I see. Sa
And then
Pilipinas-
one day,
sorry.
nawala siya.
Na,
So, naisip ko, hindi ko pala company yun. At the end of everything, empleyado rin pala ako. Diba? So, mag-isip-isip kayo sa mga lahat ng empleyado dyan. Hello! We're grateful
Okay,
may
no.
work kayo, pero...
Di ko alam kung encouraging tong talk na to or...
Parang gusto na
Be
namin
grateful.
mag-resign ni Francis bukas.
Okay.
No, we have to be grateful
Yeah,
kasi we have work, we are
Yes,
sustaining
that's true.
our
That's
needs
true.
and our family back home. But then, at the end of everything, you have to have some side hustle kasi
That's true.
salary now, employment now is not a security.
Yes.
Aminin na natin. It's
I
not
agree.
anymore a security.
That's true.
Kahit security, hindi secured. Alright? So,
Parang gusto ko na
kailangan may
magbago ng
gagawin.
career. Iba.
Why not? If it will help
Okay.
you, why not?
Anyway, sa Pilipinas po, taga saan kayo? If
Hello
you don't
sa
mind
mga
me asking.
Duterte. I'm from
Wow,
Davao City.
Davao City.
Davao
Hello.
Dabawenyo. Matapang
Yes.
to si Madam.
Yeah.
I think you have that grit
Yes.
nung pumunta ka dito kasi di ba, we as Filipinos, we always have this grit and determination to make things possible and be successful. Now, with regards to your JC journey, when did you start this? Kailan kayo nagsimula dito?
Actually, way back 2014,
2014.
I already know
Okay.
JC.
Wow, okay.
Because I am a user of K-Pads. Would you mind to get me the K-Pads, Sir Alan?
Yeah, okay.
I am a user, yeah. With conviction.
Ginawa-
sir. Yeah.
Ginawang
Oh,
errand
wala.
boy.
Dapat pagpasok niya dito gaganon-ganon siya.
Ay, magkaganon-ganon ka.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me just
Okay,
give
go
you a
ahead.
short story about
Okay,
these
sure.
K-Pads.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sir
Alright.
Alan.
This is Sir Alan.
Yes.
This is Mr.
Sir
Alan
JC.
De Ocampo.
Ah,
Alright, thank you so much. So,
Good
I am
afternoon,
a
sir.
user of this product. Ang laki kasing naitulong nito sa akin eh.
Aha.
O sa... Ikaw na lang kausapin ko. Pag
Nahiya
may,
bigla
pag
kay
may
Francis.
menstruation ako,
I
sobrang
know.
heavy.
Yes, that's
Sobrang
true.
heavy niya to the point na ihihiga ako. And it will take me 7 days na ganun sakit yung katawan.
Grabe.
Pero nung nasubukan ko to, as in naging normal lahat.
Yes.
So, meron siyang healing substance? Parang
Because-
ganun.
Has like negative ions,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
I know,
nag-research
no.
siya.
No, I know because I know because my daughter
Okay.
uses this,
I see.
and because she had like dysmenorrhea from the very start, and she's
okay.
been on medications always every
I
month.
see.
And after using this,
See?
It's all...
and I also used
healthy.
it just for curiosity, even though I menstruate like normally. But ang gusto ko sa kanya, correct me if I'm wrong, para kang merong AC.
May aircon! Ay, grabe! So, totoo yan, promise. Ang bango, at ang bango. Oo.
O kami na. Gusto mo yung experience,
Natawa ako dun sa
diba?
AC.
Ayun.
Nako, kahit lalaki.
Pagamit mo kay Francis.
Pero out of, speaking
Okay.
of curiosity, curious lang ako.
Yes.
Ilan taon na yung anak mo?
Today, or when she started using
When she
K-Pads?
started using?
That was when? That was before pandemic. So maybe she was 17? 16,
Teenager.
17. Kasi ngayon, 21 na siya.
Akala ko 30 years old.
Ay!
Sasali na ako sa JC.
Alright, so,
Okay.
hindi, totoo yan. Ginagamit din to ng mga kalalakihan.
Ha-
Panty liner. Oh, let me tell you.
I couldn't imagine.
Now,
Bibili
you
na
should try
yan.
this. Kasi, no, according sa mga
Okay.
I'm not into a medical field, but according to them, pag ang lalaki nag-i-age, 40 up.
Mhm.
20 ka pa naman, okay lang? Alright?
20.
Okay,
Okay.
Pag nag-i-age na kasi 40 up,
Uh-huh.
they are prone to enlargement of
Oh, prostate.
Oh, okay. I knew about these
Alright.
things. Yes.
Yeah. So, actually, meron akong na-save na may stage 4 prostate cancer because of this and because of RJ's.
I think I'm just curious. Is it like clinically tested and proven that males can use it, or is it like they're
We
unapproval?
are just
Testing phase.
natural and organic.
Okay, kasi I wouldn't recommend if
No,
it's
we are
not
not
something.
we are
I
not
see.
claiming a therapeutic claim. We
Okay.
are, our products are safe.
Mhm.
We are 100% natural and
Okay.
organic.
All right, perfect. That sounds
Yes.
Nice to hear.
Yeah, so
yung mga kalalakihan dyan, if you're interested, I think if they want to figure out more, they have to ask you people
Yeah.
here as well. di ba?
Yeah,
That's
we
true.
are welcome. Everyone is welcome.
Okay. Anyway, since papunta tayo maya-maya pa sana sa
Sige.
products, but we wanna know more about
Yeah,
you
yeah.
muna. di ba?
Okay, so eto nga, nagsimula ako dito.
Mhm.
2014. Wala pang office.
Mhm.
So, we are really blessed that the products are already here. We have office now.
Okay.
And nakita ko to post ng friend ko sa Taiwan.
Oh,
So from
okay.
Taiwan, umorder ako sa kanya, papuntang Pilipinas, pinadala dito sa Qatar.
Wow.
Na-hold pa ako minsan sa post office kasi sa dami ng pinadala sa akin, no?
Ano yung pang 10-year supply?
Yes, kasi if you
Kasi
know something
monthly
that is
eh.
beneficial
Yeah,
to you,
yeah.
hindi mo
So,
titigilan and it
Okay.
become a mission to share.
I see.
Okay? So, yun. Pero hindi ko ginawa yung business. Kasi
I
nga,
see.
busy ako masyado
Ano yung what was the thing that was holding you back before para i-continue yung side hustle na to?
Because of my time.
Your time.
Your time.
Okay.
Really, so busy. And
see.
2016, umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Sabi sa akin ng sponsor ko, i-avail mo na rin yung discount.
Mhm.
So, I purchased starter wholesaler with parang nag-shopping lang ako without me knowing there is business as a part of this.
Did you look on the business side on the onset, or na-realize mo lang yon later on na?
Yeah, so ganito yung nangyari. Sounds please.
Ano gusto mo pa? Maalala mo kaya ba?
Maalala mo kasi. So, ganito yung nangyari. So, yun na nga, 2017, nagkaroon tayo ng economic global crisis. So, no exception.
Okay.
It happens also with our company. So, bigla na lang, nakialam na rin yung family ng, yung buong family ng owner ng company. So, hindi nila, sorry na nga.
That's okay.
Okay, so, kinuha na yung funds. So, ang nangyari, nawala ng sweldo yung mga tao. Nawala ng sweldo, 6 months to 1 year. So, maraming nabaliw, literally. So, naiintindihan naman natin yun kasi they have their family back home na kumakain, umaasa sa kanila. So, for short, nawala yung company. So, dun ko na-realize. And because I am the HR manager, doing the operation na rin, so ako yung nasisi na lahat. So, nagwawala yung mga Filipino. Literally, nagwawala. And then, ako yung inaaway ng mga supplier, the bangko. Kasi we have a project which is being financed by the bank. Na-depress ako, nagkaroon ako ng anxiety, and it led me to mild stroke. So,
okay.
na mild stroke ako because of that. Di ko kinaya yung stress na
I
yun.
see.
Kasi di naman nila maintindihan na pag hindi sila sumasahod, ako rin hindi
yes,
naman.
yeah.
Yes.
Pero hindi nila maintindihan yun.
I think that was
So,
just like the initial reaction kasi for sure they also have families to feed.
Yeah, so,
Diba?
oh,
Likewise. Anyway.
Inalis
So,
ko
but
na
you're
yung
better
emotion.
now. I mean,
yeah, so,
ilang taon po after kayo naka-recover dun sa mild stroke?
ito yung maganda. 2018 ako ng mild stroke. Before that, dinadala-dala na ako sa hospital kasi tumataas na. 200 na yung BP
Blood
ko.
pressure,
Yes. So, yun, God is good. God
He is
is
always
really
good.
good.
All the time.
Yeah.
All the time.
Ask me why.
Why?
Why po?
Because before ko na-encounter, nung na-mild stroke ako, 2014, I knew already JC.
Yes.
Wow, yes.
I knew already they have barley. And yan, ito po talaga yung reason ba't ako naka-recover. Hindi po taon.
You took it every day? Or?
Month lang po ako naka-recover.
Wow.
3 weeks lang, naka-recover ako. Kaya, with conviction really, you cannot really stop me to share the products because I am the product of the product.
Oh.
Yes.
Ganda nun na. I'm the product of the
Ang daming
product.
quotable
Oh,
quotes.
teka lang.
Nag-prepare si Ma'am Phoebe.
I am
Okay.
really a product of the
Yeah,
product.
yes,
Kaya you cannot stop you
Yes.
cannot stop me to share
Yes.
it. Kasi alam ko marami akong
Yeah.
mabibless. So yun na yun. So ginawa ko siya. Actually nung naka-recover ako, sabi ko ayoko na sa Doha.
Wow.
The traumatic experience that
Aha.
ayokong maulit. So pinadala ko na yung mga gamit ko sa Pilipinas actually. Hinintay ko na lang yung anak ko na mag-end yung March para uwi na kami.
Aha.
But then the owner, this is
Ito,
our
yung mga special
president.
guest natin.
Yeah, the CEO and President, Mr. Jonathan So, the CFO and the Vice President, Mr. Carlito Macalino.
Yes.
They came February. So January, naka-recover na talaga ako. Ano ako. So they came here February and sabi nung friend ko na umaten ka kasi bihira lang naman yan sila. So with due respect naman sa ano ko, umaten ako.
Nice.
That is the first day na lumabas ako ng Doha kasi ayoko makita kahit sa bintana, ayoko sumilip. Ganun yung
Yes.
trauma sa akin.
Okay.
So pumunta ako sa Hilton Hotel, nakita ko sila. And habang nagsasalita siya, hi boss, tumutululuha ko. Alam mo yung pag sa church, may gospel, may rema sa'yo. Hindi mo alam pero tinatamaan ka. And that immediately changed my mind. Sabi ko, okay, hindi na ako mag-for good. I will stay here. And that answered the prayer of my husband as well. Kasi ang prayer niya, sana mag-change yung mind ko na hindi na ako mag-for good. Kasi gusto niya magkakasama kaming pamilya.
Wow. That's really inspiring.
So, yun. And yun doon na nag-umpisa. I started, not actually the business, but I started sharing the products. I started sharing the testimony that I have. I am a blessing, so I want to be a blessing to other. So I already got blessed. I want to share that blessing. So yun na yun. And then nakita ko, yun na yung business. Nakita ko siya. But I do the mission and commission will follow. Kasi given na yung ano dito eh.
Do the mission and commission will follow.
Yes, kasi
Dami,
ano na yun, naka-save.
Yes, kasi alam mo, itong company na to, this is like a tree with the low-lying fruits.
Yes.
Nasa
Explain
yun na lang
further
eh.
po.
Nasa yun na lang kung pipitasin mo. Kasi it has a very good compensation plan. A doable incentive. Kahapon nga lang eh, nasa yate kami. In-enjoy namin yung
Sana all.
buhay ng mayaman. Ang sarap ng buhay ng mayaman. Ano? Oo. So,
Okay.
napakaganda ng marketing plan ng company.
If I were to ask, sorry po, I just want to ask you, this is like a very, I would say, a question that most people would be asking as well. Sa side hustle yun na to, I don't know if you can say this, but what was the most money you made out of it?
Millions.
Wow!
Uwi na tayo. Magre-resign na bukas.
Taka muna. Reals or pesos?
If it's wow for me, it's wow for all
Yeah.
who are members here.
How
Kasi
did you- Okay, go ahead.
hindi lang naman ako, lahat naman kumita eh.
Yes, yes.
Kumita talaga. And napakagandang tingnan na yung mga kasama natin mga OFW. Ginagawa nila to. Apart from their work, ginagawa nila. So we have this industry doesn't require you profession.
Yes.
Everyone
Yes.
are welcome.
Actually.
That's true.
Oh, we have nurses, we have doctors, we have engineers, we have all walks of life.
All walks
are
of life.
Pero pagdating dito, we are equal.
Yes. Yeah.
And dito, tinatawag namin, this is a happy place for us. Now, we don't talk about chismis. We talk about...
Slightly.
That's good. That's good.
No, we talk about dreams. We talk
Yeah.
about your dreams,
Yes,
your dreams,
yes,
your
yes.
goals in life. And we are helping each other to prosper.
Yeah, it's nice. It's
Yeah,
really a good.
so-
It's a really good place for some people who are lost. I think they can
Yes.
get this as a good starting point to
True, that's true.
start their life over,
Yeah.
'di ba? Kasi based sa story mo, 'di ba? Meron kang parang rock bottom
Yes.
moment in your life, and then all of a sudden it flipped right away nung nag-attend ka ng seminar with the big bosses dun sa Hilton. Okay, so from then onwards, you would say na naging financially free ka na? Or were there like moments after that na hindi naman agad nag-click, and how long did it take para masasabi mo na okay na yung sistema ko. It's working fine. I'm getting what I want and I can spend on things that I need na hindi ko kailangang i-consider kung mababawasan ba yung pera ko next time or kailan ba yun nangyari?
Napakagandang question. Actually, itong in any business naman kasi, you will give it a time like 3 to 5 years.
3 to 5 years.
3 to 5
I see.
years for you to be successful.
Okay.
Pero ang napakaganda dito sa negosyo natin, kasi meron dito, in 6 months, in 1 year, nakahit na ng millions.
Depende kung gaano ka kasipag.
Yes.
So, the more you act on this, the more like, kunyari sa trabaho natin, 'di ba? Kung hindi ka papasok, hindi ka sasahod, 'di ba?
Correct.
Kung hindi mo aaralin, hindi mo sisipagan,
Yes.
wala ka, 'di ba? Same here. It applies here. So, pag ginawa mo 'to, the more na you give time, the more you will act because the system is already there. It's been provided. The best system that you will ever have is the system of
I
JC.
see.
Okay.
Paano po yung approach mo sa mga taong tulad namin? Nasasabihin, ang dami kong ginagawa sa buhay. So, paano ko pa siya masisingit sa buhay ko or sa oras ko para paglaanan ng panahon?
Do this while you can.
Do this while you can.
Yes, kasi alam mo, yung end goal mo naman is makauwi mag-for good, diba?
Yes. Kasi walang residency dito.
And
Okay.
eto, pag nag-for good tayo, ano ang gagawin mo?
Good.
Pag ninegosyo,
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
Di ba pag nagnegosyo ka, aaralin mo?
Yes.
Aaralin mo.
Mhm.
Pag negosyo ka, bibigyan mo ng oras? Tama?
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
Yes. Yeah.
Bakit
Correct.
di mo gawin ngayon?
Ngayon.
Kasi I believe we do have the same 24 hours. Hindi naman natin gagalawin yung working hours mo.
Yes.
Even yung pagtulog mo.
Okay.
Kukurot lang tayo dun sa spare time mo. May 8 hours ka pang natitira. Hindi nga natin kukurutin yung 8 hours mo eh. Kahit 2 hours mo lang ibigay doon. Yung time na ginagawa mo, nag-i-scroll ka ng Facebook, tapos na-stress ka, hindi mo naman kakilala yung nag-post, na-stress ka, dinala mo na sa pagtulog mo. This time, make it productive, make it profitable. Kasi hindi naman namin hilingin lahat ng oras mo. Depende yun sa'yo. If you will give it a part-time, then you will have a part-time income.
Thank you for that wonderful answer,
Yes.
candidate number 1.
I thank you.
Ako, I have one
Go ahead,
pressing
go ahead.
question. Kanina ko pa iniisip to. Actually, this before. Kasi, di ba sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, I disclose to you that a lot of people whom I know do JC and ang dami nilang nag-i-invite. And I personally, I myself, I'm an entrepreneur, as you know. And I've also been in several M&M businesses. So what I want to ask is that what makes JC
different.
Premier different from other MLM businesses?
Okay, that's a very good question.
No, kasi it would be a good selling point for me.
Yes.
Kasi I've had been in like 3
Yes.
already, and I'm not saying that I'm not doing the businesses anymore. They're still there, like
Right.
because if you have it. You have it if you remember, but like I'm not active. So what would make me join this? I think kumbaga, yun na. Kasi syempre that would be your selling point to other people as well.
Yes.
Okay. So, let
You
me
only
answer.
have 2 minutes to answer.
Let me answer your
Time
question.
pressure, no? Go ahead,
Yes po.
Marami nag-invite sa'yo.
Yes.
Pero hindi ka nagjo-join.
Yes.
Kasi, there will be always a right person for you.
Ayun, no. Yun yung gusto ko. Pinaulit ko lang sa kanya. Yan yung sagot sa
There will
kanya
be always a right
kanina.
person for you. Kasi I believe, ako dito, doing this business, para kasi ano ko na to, yung family ko na yung JC. Actually, we are family all here.
I see.
No, we do help each other prosper. So, meron kasing mga times na yung mga kilala mo, di ka rin may bibigyan talaga ng oras. So,
Okay.
hindi ka magtataka, bakit kilala ko naman siya, pero bakit hindi pa niya ako, parang hindi ka pa rin 100% na yung heart mo.
Yes.
Kasi the right person is not yet there.
I see.
Maybe it's me.
Ay,
Yeah.
marami kayong kala.
Oo, diba? Maybe it's
Okay.
me. Okay. Kasi
I see.
someone who can really give you time to coach you.
I see.
Alright, so,
Oh,
anong
diba?
pagkakaiba
Yes.
nitong JC sa ibang negosyo. Alright. Sa pagninegosyo kasi in this kind of industry, you have 3 things to consider.
Okay.
The first, the company should be stable, legit.
Okay.
The owners,
Yeah.
okay, they must be reputable, respected, okay. Also, dapat kilala nyo siya.
Yes.
Kasi yung ibang company, di naman ninyo kilala, di nyo nakikita. Well, I am very thankful that our owners,
Yes.
kagagaling lang last July,
Yes, yeah.
and our boss is now in UAE. So, ibig sabihin, they mingle with the
Yeah.
business partners. So, we are business partners with them. We are not an employee. Now, pangalawa, product.
Yes.
Your product is your bloodline. So, your product must be of high quality. Tama, and highly effective. The products of JC is not just high quality and highly effective, but are safe and natural and 100% organic.
Okay.
So we have the Ministry of Health of Qatar, okay, who was giving us the,
Yes.
the approval. So chine-check kasi nila yan if, like, for this barley, if this is really na 100% organic, there is a chips that they can only
I
find.
see.
Okay. So we are 100% natural, organic.
I see.
And we sold millions worldwide.
Yeah.
And most importantly po, you are an authorized distributor here in Doha.
Yeah, an
right? You have a
authorized
license to do so.
wholesaler. Yes.
FDA.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
we are FDA. And
Nice.
speaking of FDA, thank you for that.
Diba?
Okay, speaking of FDA, our JC Organic Barley Juice is the only barley in the world that has been approved for more than 10 countries. FDA approved for more than 10 countries.
10 countries.
Okay, and another thing is, JC Organic Barley Juice is the only barley that is inside the PPD, the Directory of the Pharmacists and the Doctors in
Oh,
Philippines.
that's great.
Okay. That's news flash.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi alam mo,
We are
daming
very
barley.
proud.
Actually, daming barley.
Yeah, and because madaming barley, what makes it different
Yun nga
from the
pala.
other barley?
Yun nga pala.
Let me
'Cause-
answer that in your
Yeah. I was about to ask this question because I've seen also
kasi
ads on Facebook which is a different barley siya nakalagay, barley, pero I think it's also a different brand.
Ako, I've tried.
And
I tried
then
this
what
and
was
another
it?
one also.
How was it? Sige, isa muna. Ikaw
Hindi,
muna.
sige, hindi,
Si Ma'am
ako
Phoebe muna.
Si Ma'am Phoebe muna. Hindi,
Okay.
sinabi ko lang.
So what
Okay.
makes it different to the other? Barley is really a very nutritious. Barley is just a food.
Okay.
But the good thing of this is a super whole food that can supply the most nutritions from birth to old age.
Oh.
Ano po ba siya? Grain, di ba? Tama ba? Is it a
It's
grain?
different from grain. This is just
So, ano siya?
barley. Kasi barley, ang pinagkaiba sa ibang barley, our JC Organic Barley, this is from New Zealand. Kasi pag sinabi natin New Zealand, it has the most fertile soil.
Yes.
Virgin
Yes,
ang soil, unpolluted. So, and then, ito, hino-harvest siya, bata pa lang. So, like a ruler, 20 centimeters, siya hino-harvest.
Oh,
Yeah,
So,
ano siya?
healthy. Kasi ang barley, pag tumaas, naging gray na siya. Ano na siya, yung marami na siyang marami na siyang fats, marami na carbohydrates.
I see. So they're
ito,
harvested at a
bata pa
young
lang
age.
siya.
I see.
So, bata pa lang.
In terms po of edad, what age is it recommended for an individual para uminom ng barley? Kasi di ba may mga bata, usually
yes.
pwede ba sila noon? At what age can they
yeah.
start using it? Ano ba? Meron ba tayong ganung restriction sa pag-inom ng barley?
From birth to
From
old
birth.
age.
Wow.
From birth of the mother.
Yes.
Pero yung infant,
Yes.
they can take it?
Yes, from
Wow.
birth. From birth.
Amazing.
Actually, if you happen to saw our JC 60-year anniversary, there was a testimony from a pregnant woman. Then she's let me share this if you're watching. Okay, let me share your story. So it took them like 8 years to conceive. And they already checked different, medical
Doctors.
and just taking this barley, and she's now pregnant.
Amazing. Amazing.
And for sure, the baby will be healthy. Healthy because it's barley.
Yeah.
So from birth to old age.
I see.
Okay, there's no age limit on that one.
All right, we'll take a quick break and we'll get back with more of JC Bard and, of course, Mom Phoebe right here on Live on Q. You guys stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
I always forget to
Megan,
press that one. Welcome back to Live on Q. It's now 14 after 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Still with me, Francis, and Miss Ting of Ting Talk Show, and Ma'am Phoebe of JC Premier. Magandang hapon ulit sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Thank you so much for spending your time with us this wonderful Saturday. It's a weekend. And before we continue, we'd like to talk about Mr. Jed. As just when Ken Enda, so Mr. Ken Enda, who shared this wonderful story about his journey with JC Premier. But before we go there, let me say hi first to a couple of people watching right now. To Sir Alan Ocampo. Exciting daw sabi niya. Yes.
And also si Miss Jerry K.
Yes.
Vero Campo is also watching.
All right. Si Valma said a family, a vlogger also, they're watching. To Seek Tunay, good afternoon to you. So proud of you, Miss Phoebe, sabi niya. Grabe mo, may pakyukas ka na daw. Nats.
Time
So,
to Zach.
Ma'am Richie Cantillana, proud of you, Mother Aguila. Oh, para sa ito.
Para sa akin ba yun?
Ako si Mother Ash.
Siya si Mother Aguila.
They're calling me
Ako
Oh, you're
yun.
also Eagles?
Eagles din po ba?
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yun. So,
I forgot.
ayun. So, ito tayo, si Kuya Oliver Revilla. Hi!
hi.
Yan. Sa Qatar Black Gold sa Patila Eagles Club, mga kuya at ate.
Good afternoon to all you guys. To Fav and Ika, thank you for joining. Also to Mary Hope. Hi, Ma'am Phoebe Padayaw
Yes, Ma'am
Candido.
Mary Hope.
Can I
Kristen
just,
Chi is also
can I
watching.
Can
Hello.
I just say
Go
hello,
ahead.
Miss Mary Hope Antique. She is our nurse educator
Yes.
from Hamad, and she's doing also the business.
I see.
Yeah.
Good afternoon po. Thank you for watching and spending your time with us this afternoon. Okay, let's get back to Mr. Ken. I'm sorry. Ken Enda. Supposedly, he should be part of this podcast this afternoon, but because of preoccupied schedule, medyo hindi siya nakasama. I think we wanted to know, I think you also know the story, di ba? Of
Yes,
Mr.
yes.
Ken. Maybe you can share us a little bit, maybe summarize na lang natin. His humble beginnings, how he started with JC, and where he is
Right now.
at this
Yeah,
point. Okay, go ahead po.
Hi, Mr. Ken, Master Ken, Chainda, ichichismis kita. Okay, so Mr. Ken Chainda, he is the grand mentor of Team Chosen, and he started. It's actually here. His life story is from rags to riches.
Wow.
Really, from zero to big hero to nothing into big something. So he was working in a computer shop.
Okay. Nakaka-inspire yung mga ganong story, no?
So paano na lang decline. Pa-decline sa call.
Talabat yata. Mamaya na po yung order.
Okay, so nagsimula
Okay, go ahead.
siya, computer shop lang siya, attendant.
Grabe, no?
So, hindi, wala naman siyang tinapos. Hindi siya nagtapos ng pag-aaral dahil sa hirap nga ng buhay. Hindi na nagpadala yung father niya ng finance support sa kanila sa Pilipinas. So, Japanese
Yeah.
father.
And right now, he's a
alright.
multi-millionaire.
No.
Grabe.
But now, so nung nakita niya itong negosyo ito, nagkaroon ng pag-asa yung buhay niya. And talagang 160 degree na bago. Kasi and from nothing from 0 to 6 million Qatari Riyal.
Wow! Ito siya, I was looking at his photo. It's here. Kenichi
Ito,
Enda.
Kenichi Enda.
Yeah.
Grabe, no?
Computer shop employee.
Alam mo kung gusto mong kumuha ng inspiration, pumunta ka lang dito sa
Yeah.
JC office.
Correct.
Look at the
100%.
stories they have
Look at
here.
the wall.
There's a lot.
We have
Grabe, no?
Si Ferdinand Ryan Crisostomo, businessman, former call center agent, the wife of this
Oh, I see.
Crisostomo. But, sila
HR
ang buhay nila,
manager.
nakatira sa ilalim ng tulay ng Manila.
Wow.
But look at them now, they produce millionaires.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Nakaka-inspire.
So, of course, we have our chaplain here, Mr. Fernando, a former insurance broker who is broke and broken. Yeah.
Broken.
Exactly. He was broke and broken, but through this business, my God,
Grabe, no?
He is earning.
Yung mga dating nagpo-podcast lang.
This
Diba?
is a
You'll
chance.
never know. You'll never know.
Never know.
You can never can tell.
I hope this will open
Yeah.
to
Yes.
you
Yes.
know everyone across the globe.
Across the globe,
That there is something that you can do other than being an employee.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know what? The story of Ken is the main moral of it is it doesn't need to. Everything is possible.
Yes.
Diba? Parang you don't have to embrace poverty para yun na lang yung maging dahilan mo para hindi ka magpursige sa buhay.
That's
Kasi if you
true.
can do it without education and then sa computer shop siya nagwo-work,
Yes.
what more?
Yeah.
Kung meron kang pinag-aralan, 'di ba? Meron kang network of people that you can actually connect to kung gusto mong i-endorse ang produktong 'to. I'm trying to have some reflections right now.
Correct.
Life choices.
You know,
Podcasters noon.
And we have a platform actually to influence people, 'di ba? Okay,
Yes.
anyway.
yes.
Tsaka didikit ako kay Ma'am Phoebe.
You're welcome.
Mamaya may t-shirt ka na rin na ganito.
Okay, so si
Okay, go
Mr.
ahead po.
Kineche Enda, no, he was here during our 6th year anniversary of the office. So, sabi lang naman niya talaga, pag may pangarap ka,
Yeah.
paniwalaan mo.
Yes.
Just believe.
Yes, believe.
Just believe. And then act on it.
Yes.
Kasi yung negosyo naman, nandyan lang yan eh.
That's true.
Kasi hindi naman ako ang magpapayaman sa'yo.
Yes.
Neither the owners, ikaw.
Ikaw. Yeah,
Yes.
that's
Then
true.
ikaw gagawin mo to.
Yeah.
That's true.
Diba? Being an employee, ikaw nga din eh. Nagsipag, diba? O, nagsipag ka, nag-aral ka, pinag-aralan mo. No? Kasi pag hindi ka nagsipag, ite-terminate ka. Do this business, walang magte-terminate sa'yo. Galingan mo dito, mapapamana mo sa pamilya mo.
I would agree with Ma'am Phoebe. I think it's the wrong mentality of some people that whenever they join any kind of side hustles like this, ang mentality nila, magjo-join ako para mapayaman ako ng kumpanyang to. It should be you doing your effort,
Yeah,
extra
that's
effort to achieve your dreams, di ba? I think onset dun pa lang, kung gano'n na yung mentality mo, hindi ka talaga uusad. Diba? And I'm pretty sure with your experience, you have come across with those individuals na gano'n yung pag-iisip.
Yeah,
Tama
but
po
we
ba?
cannot, blame them because we are being, our mind was program
Yeah.
na mag-aral kang mabuti para pag nakapagtapos ka,
Pagtatrabaho
maghanap ka ng
ka.
magandang trabaho. We were programmed on that one.
Yes.
Kaya pag may nag-share tayo ng negosyo, ay, wala akong oras.
Yeah.
Ay, wala akong pera. Ay, wala akong panahon yan. Di ko magagawa, risky. Pero pag may, pag tumanda na sila, may oras na sila gagawin yung
Yeah.
negosyo. May panahon na sila. O sabi mo risky, ba't mo ginawa? Kasi wala nang choice.
But it's too late,
It's
actually.
too late
Yeah.
kasi di ka na makapag-swimming.
Yeah. Hindi ka na makapag-tupi sa beach.
Oo. Hindi mo na ma-enjoy yung life. Tama.
Yeah.
So do it now while may kakayanan ka.
Do you think this kind of business is for everybody?
Yes, this is for everybody. But not for everybody na yung walang willingness and determination. For everybody who has dream.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kasi di mo pwedeng gawing sagot yung parang it's already a tougher competition. Right now, sobrang dami yun ng distributor, di ba?
That's true.
Yeah.
And with the limited population we have here for OFWs, medyo dapat double time yung effort mo.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
At some
Or
point,
you can
you're
venture to
correct.
other
At some point, you're correct.
Okay, go
But,
ahead.
let me tell you, JC does not close doors for any other nationality.
I see.
Kasi kung mapapansin mo, maya-maya darating na dito, mga Africans, Nepali,
Oh.
Pakistan. Kung ito this is a challenge for our OFWs watching right now. Kung yung mga ibang lahi naniniwala na dito,
Tayo pa kaya?
dito ay makakaahon sila, kayo pa kaya?
Yeah.
That's
Diba? So kung naniniwala sila, kung sila ay kumikita, ibang lahi yun. They don't know Show My King. Where's the Show My King? They don't know Show My King.
Yeah.
Hindi pa nga nila natikman anong lasa ng siopaw eh. Yet, naniniwala sila na ito yung magpapauwi sa kanila, sa country nila.
I see.
This is a challenge for all of us.
Okay.
That's good.
It was answered perfectly. How about you, Miss Ting? You have other questions?
Ako naman,
Go ahead.
with regards to the business again. Kasi curious din talaga ako. Kasi a lot of MLMs, diba? I just want to focus a little bit on that. Kasi I know a few, the technicalities of the binary system and stuff like that. So, kasi one of the things that made me join one of the MLMs before is that they have like equal opportunity to earn. Kasi if you know about the binary system, I don't know if any one of you has come across that. Like right and left, you have to put like people under, like parang binary system siya. So, ang premise is that the people under earn and then mas nag-earn, earnings nila mas nag-earn yung nasa taas. Kasi sa ibang MLM businesses, only those at the top, on the top, sila yung nagbe-benefit.
Yeah.
May ibang MLMs naman na even if you're not on the top, you can earn as much as those on the top. So, I'm curious how it works
For GC.
for JC Premier.
MLM.
Yeah.
Kasi yun yung laging na
Multi-level
No,
marketing.
actually,
This
I
is
know.
multi-level marketing,
For
okay.
MLM kasi, it's not, for me, MLM is not, not like a bad business.
Yeah,
Bad
yeah, it's
business
not,
yung pyramiding scheme, yung Ponzi schemes, yun yung mga
Or
bad.
scams.
Yeah, scams. Pero JC, like what Miss
Phoebe.
is saying, like, you have a good product and you have a physical store that is very important, and your products are
FDA approved.
FDA approved. You know, like
high quality.
it's already a given. So I'm asking
okay.
this. I know. That's why I'm asking this question.
JC, it's not just there is a network marketing, okay? But here we are looking for 3 types of people.
Okay.
Okay, number 1 is the user.
Yes.
The user of the product.
Yeah.
Because we are moving our products. We are sharing the benefits of the product, especially for our OFW. Na minsan nakakalimutan na, so sobrang busy, nakakalimutan na yung katawan. Okay? Last time I had a talk with the engineers. You know, sabi ko nga sa kanila, you are the very, a very good ginagawa yung mga building natin. You're very good in planning, but you failed to plan one thing. The very foundation, your health.
Yes, that's
Kasi sobrang so we move the product and we are going to reach them para sa kanila na rin. Kasi their family back home, hindi nila kakayanin na mawala kayo.
Yes.
Yes, that's true.
That's true.
That's why the best investment is yourself.
Your health.
Yeah.
Kaya you need to protect yourself. Second, we are looking for resellers. Yeah, to do side hustles. Resellers. Okay? Not all people will do network marketing.
That's true.
Not all people will do selling. Some people are just users, but some people, they share the business, they share the product, and they earn. Okay?
Pero ideally
so,
ba?
Yung sorry. So,
Okay.
yung sinasabi niya, sasagutin ka lang na yung tao na uuna sa taas. No.
Okay.
I beg to disagree with that. Kasi marami akong kakilala. Okay, one example. No, I had one authorized wholesaler, which is a nursing, not nurse, a teacher assistant in one of government school here in Qatar. Okay. She earned already $500,000.
Okay.
Wow.
But the one who is sponsor earned only 200.
Okay.
Okay.
So
it's possible.
It's not really
possible.
that that whoever came first will earn first. Maybe the person who earn first is the one who really act first.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because we will only do one thing here in this business. We will do the same efforts. We share. We share. So it's really up to you. This, when it comes to commission, like the company is giving you a blank check. Up to you how much you want to earn. But you have to act on it. You have to do. The system is there only. The system is there. It's ready and available. Okay, it's really up to you.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's good.
My question would be, is it really imperative if you're a user for you to sell the product? Kasi I think you have to be the example, diba? You have to be the product of the product, as you've said,
Yes.
for you to be more effective in marketing it. Tama po ba? Or kasi may mga tao, they would just simply put the money there, and then may mga tao silang gagalaw for them. Like, I would purchase a product, but I will not use it. May mga ganun din ba? Pero would you rather be like the user
Yes.
para ikaw yung makapag...
Yes.
Okay, a living testament on how it...
So,
okay.
it's just like this. May narinig ka, ang ganda nung palabas. Isi-share mo. Pero hindi mo nakita. Paano mo siya ikwento?
Okay, correct. That makes
Paano mo
sense.
siya ikwento?
That's very
Diba?
good.
So,
Very
be a
good.
user of the product. So, when someone asks you, how does it taste? You can answer.
Matcha.
Yeah.
I could
Yeah,
say.
Bagay
But it's better
sila.
than matcha, I would
Bagay
say.
sila,
Yeah,
matcha.
yeah.
O, diba? So, kailangan mo talaga, be a product of the
I
product.
see. It's nice.
That's
Okay.
that's a very good answer. Actually, that's one of the things that I'm looking in for a business.
Yes.
Kasi the previous one that I'm still a part of it. It's also like this. And, like, it's, kapag gumagamit ka kasi ng product, you can't help it but to share.
Yeah.
And yung testimony mo would be effective kasi ikaw mismo yung
Mismo ang
naka-experience.
gumagamit. Yes,
I'd just like to, mention her, Shell Simangan Paralyag. She's the one that I'm telling you about,
Oh.
ma'am, na sabi niya, wow, Ate Christine ko yan. She used to be one of our housekeepers in Hamad General Hospital. And then now she's naging distributor siya ng JC. I think during the pandemic nag-start. And then, ayun, kumita siya talaga. And then now she's back. Like pandemic, she went back home and then she's back in Qatar. And I believe she's not any supervisor na siya ng mga
Congratulations to you,
housekeepers.
Shell. All right.
Ay, Shell. Ayan.
Kasi this business, anyone naman kayang gawin to. And talagang it will change people's lives.
Yeah. I would agree. I have no objection on that. Kasi based on the stories you've shared, and then based on a lot of people here who also had their careers change, or I would say their life changed after they were distributors of JC Barley. I would say na maganda talaga tong simulan ng mga tao na nagtatrabaho pa rin sa ngayon. Kasi when the time comes that you are unemployed, or this is just a short-term life, I would say. Yung stay natin sa Doha, short stint lang to eh. In a matter of like 20 years from now, who knows, we might be going back home. And by then, we might be 50, 60 years old, and no company would be willing to accept us to work. So, I think it's really important na meron kang backup plan while you're working, 'di ba? Meron ka na dapat na establish na business, so that when you go home one day, you don't have to worry about your everyday expenses. When you get sick, where to live, what's your next meal, and so on and so forth. And those are the basic things that every Filipino, I would say, is having issues with on a daily basis, 'di ba? And for us to avoid this, andito po si Ma'am Phoebe.
Yeah, you're all right.
Okay.
Kasi syempre kasi, di ba, your main goal is to have a good life once
Yes.
you for good. To sustain the needs of your family back home. And syempre, paano kung tumanda ka na, dagdag mo pa yung health maintenance mo.
Yeah.
Diba? Saan ka kukuha?
Yeah.
Kasi ito namang negosyo na to, in JC kasi, hindi naman ibig sabihin na gawin mo to para may fallback ka. Okay, may fallback ka. Pero alam mo, gawin mo to ngayon, kahit andito ka sa Qatar o ibang bansa man yan, naghagawa mo siya.
I see.
And then your family back home can do also the business. Kasi JC is not only for health and wellness, we also another franchise business, which is the giant company for franchise in the Philippines.
I see.
Yeah, so we have a lot of avenue of income to offer to everyone.
Do you still have regular work, ma'am?
No, I don't.
Wow.
I am happily part
Sana
of
all.
JC and authorized wholesaler and distributor and a senior international franchise consultant. And I am very, very happy that God gave me this company. And of course, I'm very grateful for the honors.
You really have all your time in the world na, no? Talaga nakakapag-focus ka na sa bagay na to. Well, given your stature, I think you can really do a lot this time.
Yes.
Compared nung nasa employed section ka pa.
And what I really want about Miss Phoebe is that she shares also
Yes.
to help other
Yeah,
people.
yeah. That's the most
Hindi
important
yung,
thing.
oo.
Yeah.
Parang yung mission talaga niya is something beyond her. And 'di ba sabi mo nga, I'm interested also
go
and
ahead.
one other aspect of JC, which is what you said, the franchising part of
Yes.
JC. So can you tell us more about it?
Show my king, show my king.
Nagutom ako bigla.
Okay, nakakagutom talaga siya. Okay.
Baka naman meron magbigay sa atin mamaya. Ang daming table na empty.
Yeah.
Baka may siomai tayo
International
mamaya
kasi
after the
focus
show.
on JC for the health and wellness because they don't know what is siomai, what is a
Alright,
franchise.
yeah.
But then a lot of people, they have been joining not because only of JC, but because of the province system.
Yes.
Now this house of franchise, we have a lot of food concept, right? Yeah.
Ayan, ang dami ng taong dumadating.
Yes, so we have a lot of food concept. One is the siomai king, the hari ng siomai.
Nagugutom na talaga.
Okay, which is the first siomai that served 5 pieces.
Okay.
Siomai. Kasi yung panglima, yun yung nakakatinga, nakakabusog. Joke lang, okay?
That's the reality. At anong sarap nun.
Yes, sobrang sarap po ng siomai king.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
Before, hindi ko pa alam. When I was in Manila, I don't really know what's this, a siopaw, the king. I don't know what company, but that's my favorite kasi alam mo yung dough pa lang ng siopaw.
Yeah.
Ang sarap na, ang lasa, hindi tinipid.
Malambot.
Oo,
Yes.
yes. At saka yung siomai natin, wala talagang extender. It's
Yeah.
pure meat.
I would say so kasi alam mo ba, when I was still in the Philippines, di ba yung mga train station doon, mga LRT, MRT,
Yes,
usually
yes.
have these stalls.
Yeah.
Yes.
And before I go home, I will drop by
Oh,
there.
diba?
Madaming chili.
Totoo yan. Totoo.
Oo.
Ayun.
Now and then, ito, napakaganda kasi the company keeps on innovating. During pandemic, they created the online. Okay, so we have the drop shipping business.
Wow.
So they deliver
Yeah, so,
door to door. Parang ganon.
drop shipping business. That means even if you are here in Qatar, you have this online shop link, they can order from your shop. And then the company will
Deliver.
I
Wow, that's
see.
so nice.
Deliver. Well, pack and deliver that to your customer. And then you earn while you are here.
It's really
And
nice.
pinagmamalaki po namin talaga ang Siomai King, the House of Franchise, because during pandemic, sila po yung nag-save talaga ng napakaraming nawalan ng trabaho.
Yeah.
Okay? And during pandemic, grabe, 2020, 2021 to 2022, wherein almost all companies nagsara, pero sila hindi nanatili. Even our office here, nanatili. Okay? And they created 197 pandemic millionaires.
Wow.
Grabe talagang,
Sana part ako nung, kahit yung
diba?
197 million.
You would,
Wow.
dyan pa lang masasabi mo na, wow, this company has really, something to offer. Kasi yung mga seafarer natin na nawalan ng trabaho, yung mga flight attendant natin na nawalan ng lipad, pero nandito sila ngayon. Diba? Kinagawa nila to kasi nawalan sila ng lipad pero biglang, may kwento lang ako. May isang flight attendant na talagang, paano ko na to gagawin? Wala nang trabaho. May mother ako na pinapakain. So dumaan lang sa kanyang feed yung Siomai King, naghawa lang siya. And he is one of the millionaires now in this company.
Siya ba yun? May
Her
flight
name is
attendant
Mr.
doon.
King Pinos. How are you?
Okay.
Of course.
I
And
hope we have,
we also have our professional tambay.
Yeah.
Literally, okay? Professional tambay. Tambay talaga siya. No, his name is Mr. Eric Santos, Corti Santos. Siya po yung kauna-unang talagang top 1 ng JC. Okay. Ang alam lang niya noon, magsabong. Okay? So, napariwala lang talaga yung buhay niya. Pero nung nandoon siya sa JC, it really changed his life. From professional tambay to a multi-millionaire.
It's really inspiring.
So,
You know what?
Maraming mga kwento dito sa JC. Na soon, ikaw na rin ang
I'm
makikita sa buhay.
I'm hoping. I'm
Yeah,
hoping.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Hanapin ko muna yung sa sistema ko. Anyway, I hope we have enough time to talk about this, but we have to say goodbye for now.
I'm not
What
yet
would be
Oo nga, parang
What?
nagsisimula pa lang
Oh,
tayo.
okay. No. Actually, 1 hour is like
Yeah,
in the
I
snap of
know.
a finger, it's
I know.
done.
Lalo na pag si Miss Phoebe ang kausap mo.
Actually, it was a very enlightening afternoon.
Yeah,
we
that's
heard
true.
a lot of stories from you, and we heard a lot of good things from you as well. And all those stories, which really inspires a lot of people out
Yeah,
there
that's true.
who wanted to start their business while they're still having their regular job, that it's possible.
Yes.
Everything
Yes,
is
it's
possible
possible.
with JC Premier. Ma'am, what would be your final message sa ating mga kababayan?
Para sa mga kababayan natin, iboto niyo po. Ayan, para sa mga nanonood po, ng mga kababayan natin all across the globe, kung saan napadpad si QCAS ngayon.
Yes!
Right? So, simulan niyo na po na magnegosyo. Kasi hindi po habang buhay na tayo ay OFW. Anytime, any moment, pag sinabi sa atin ng ating mga employer,
Employers.
kalas, I don't need you. Hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin no. Hindi pa ako tapos. May pinapaaral pa ako. Hindi mo gustong mangyari sa'yo yan. Kaya ngayon, simulan nyo na po. And JC has everything na pwede pong magpabago ng buhay nyo. Kung maraming nabago, kayo rin po mababago ang buhay. So, you are welcome here dito sa JC. At ito lang sasabihin ko, alam niyo yung Jeremiah, lagi ko itong iniiwan.
Yes.
Pero hindi pa ako mawawala. Ito yung laging words ko iniiwan. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Para sa akin kasi, it's not just a word of God. It's a declaration.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a declaration. Tayo dito as OFW, magkakaiba tayo ng posisyon, ng pananaw sa buhay, profession, pero pare-pareho tayong dumadaan sa mga pagsubok.
Correct.
Yes.
At ulit sasabihin ko, napakabait po ng Diyos. Tanungin mo ako bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi hindi mo pa nahaharap yung problema mo, may
solution.
solusyon na siyang inihanda para.
Amen.
Amen. Ayan.
Kaya kung may problema ka, huwag mong tambayan. Okay? Para makita mo yung solusyon. At kung nahihirapan ka, punta ka po dito sa JC. This is a happy place. This is a very happy place. We don't talk about chismis. We talk
Although
about
it
your
adds a little
dreams.
spice in your life.
Yes. We talk about your dreams and kung paano natin pagtulungan na maabot yan.
Alright.
Yan. So, ayan po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am
so
Phoebe.
much.
And thank you so
not,
much.
That's not just a declaration. It's an affirmation.
Yes.
Yes, affirmation.
Define.
Yeah.
An affirmation is like set in stone, diba? It's parang a commandment.
Yes.
Anyway, for those who wanted to check out the store, or is this like a hub or an office of
This is
JC?
our
Headquarters.
Yeah, headquarters, by the way. You have to go inside this building. Anong building to?
This is Suhail
Suhail.
Tower.
And then maybe some people might get confused because wala siyang entrance dun sa labas. You have to go straight dun sa Red Umbrella Cafe. There's a door. There's a sliding door.
Yeah.
Yan, diretso lang po kayo. Kasi when I got here, I got lost. Akala ko kung doon kayo.
Baka naman Red Umbrella.
Tama ba? Red Umbrella?
Red umbrella.
And then, as you mentioned, this is open from what time?
From 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
to 10 p.m.
to 10 p.m. Sundays to Thursdays? Or
We
do you have like a day
closed
off?
on Thursday.
Okay.
We're
I
closed
see.
on
So close on
Thursday.
Thursdays.
Do you have any contact numbers?
3351-6848.
Ah!
3351-6848.
Sa Olado.
Yan.
May contact
Galing.
Sir Alan De Ocampo.
Ayun.
Yes, by the way, thanks to Sir Alan for connecting you to us.
Yes.
Actually, I've been thinking of giving this platform to JC because I've seen the great stories I've heard from people who are connected with this company, and I thought of sharing my platform so that we can spread the good word and the good vibes for everybody, especially the OFW here in Doha, Qatar. So
Thank you
yun po
so
yung pinaka-aim ng QCast eh.
Thank you so much.
Tsaka makadala kami ng bagong box pa uwi.
Yeah, of course, why not?
And before we say goodbye, you wanna shout out anybody? Yung gusto mong shout out
Family,
sa mga
friends.
family, friends.
Of course, shout out to our
Ayan,
owners.
yung mga andito.
Our very foggy
Yes.
owners, Mr. Jonathan, our President and CEO, our Vice President and CFO, Mr. Carlito Macadandong. Without them, we are not here. So they're the brain and heart of this company. And of course, our Director for Training and Development, Mr. Rene Aison. Thank you so much. And of course, our management here, Ms. Manilin Orbizo. Thank you so much for taking care of us. And of course, andami, our family here. I have here Miss Christine. Hello.
Christine din siya, Christine G.
Yeah,
Christine din pala.
Artista is here also. Hi, Ma'am Emma,
Hello
the
po.
mother, former
Yeah,
nurse
thank
in
you.
Hamad. So,
Early
we're a
birds.
family. They're a family. Everyone can do. And we have inside That is
You have a
Hotel
training today?
Yeah, we
inside?
have from
I see.
Mr. Kineche Enda. Yeah, our top 4 worldwide.
Gusto ko rin
We're
siya
honored
ma-meet.
to have him to visit and give us training. And of course, I want to also shout out to our team, Big Four. Yeah, from our GM Grand Mentor Eric Santos, Tuts Damasco. All right, to GM Nestor Eldefonso, and of course, Melchor Santos, and Mother Lion Joseph and you. Yeah, shout out to all the Team Chosen, Team Iralista, Team, where other
Ang
teams?
dami. Nakakatuwa. Ang dami.
We have a lot of teams, but we are working as one to help you, make you prosper.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
we're a
good. That's
family in JC, and you are all welcome. Do the business while you still can.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ganda
parang-
no? Do the business while you still can.
Yes.
Oo nga naman. It makes a
Kaya
lot
ko
of
pa.
sense.
And by the way, we have office in Dubai, we have office in Abu Dhabi, we have office in Italy and
Wow.
Oman, we have in Hong Kong, Singapore, we have in Canada, and we just recently opened Spain, we have Switzerland.
Wow.
Saan pa ba tayo may office? Taiwan, okay, and we have US, right?
Wow,
And
dami ah.
we're opening, we are
You're
reaching the
everywhere.
globe. Yeah, for everyone,
Yeah, okay.
OFW.
All right. Let me do a quick rundown of the people watching right now. To Vambilin Bendanillo.
Yes,
Thank
nurse
you, Miss
din po
Phoebe.
siya. Hi,
Alright.
ER nurse din po namin
To Mary
siya.
Hope. She
Yes,
tagged a lot
our
of
nurse
people on the
educator in
chat.
Hamad as
Hi, Miss
well.
Bambi, my co-MC during the
Yes.
6th, and Miss Hope.
Rene Aison.
Hi, Director
Jonathan
of
So.
Training. Hi, Director of Training and Development, Mr. Rene Aison. Thank you
Ayun.
for coming. And of course, Boss Joe, thank you so much. We love you, Boss Joe.
Ayun.
Thank you for making everyone successful in this business, because without you, the owners, naiiyak naman ako.
Medyo emotional si Ma'am
Yeah.
Phoebe lagi, no?
Oo,
I think it's an emotional joy, I would
Yeah,
say.
because our owners, one secret of any in this kind of industry is really the owners.
Yes, that's true.
They really have a big heart. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Sorry.
All right.
Sorry, naging emotional ako kasi yun nga sinasabi ko, yung mga owners, yung ibang company, they don't see the owners.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Pero
true.
ito kasi mga owners natin, talagang they're reaching out.
Yeah.
And, hey! Wag na
Yung tissue po,
Yung tissue
malalaglag
po.
yung makeup.
Buti na lang wala
Hindi
akong
pala. Ano to eh?
pilik mata, baka malaglag.
Mac. Dumidikit na matagal.
Hindi, ano
yun
yan,
kasi-
kind beauty yan,
Yeah.
Francis.
Pinakamalaking sikreto talaga yung mga founders.
Yes.
Kasi the way na, yung tinitreat ka nila as family. Oo. Ginaguide ka nila. Kumbaga, itong negosyo na nga na to, is spoon feeding para
Yeah,
sa akin. Kasi from everything they provided, from the moment you became an authorized wholesaler, the next thing to do is already there.
Yeah.
And even the caption on your social media, it's already there.
Yeah.
Yung hindi kikita, yun yung tamad na lang talaga. Diba? So everything, and then they keep on coming, reaching to, like last July, the president is here, Mr. Jonathan So is here. So talagang nakaka-touch po talaga yung sobrang love and all-out support nila sa aming lahat. Kaya
That's
doon ako
really
napaiyak.
nice. That's really nice. All right. Thank you so much, Mom Phoebe, for your time this afternoon. Miss Ting, anything you want to say?
Ayan, of course,
first?
thank you for having me again in QCast. I believe
Of
I'm
course.
your favorite. Ayun, shout out po to the staff of Maharlika Park Restaurant and of course SG Entertainment Media Companies, Kai Gonzalez, Cal Gonzalez, and Katrina Flores. Yan.
All right. Thank you so much. Also to Sir Jairek Sabrosado is also watching.
Ayun,
Thank you.
Kuya Jai.
And to JC Ren, yes, pandemic time, madaming company nag-close but JC company nagdagdag pa at madaming natulungan na tao.
Yes,
Amen.
correct.
It's really a very nice afternoon with you, Mom Phoebe.
Thank you
We look
so
forward to sitting down with you again next time for Live on Cue. And maybe next time we can talk about something else na hindi ka naiiyak. Something fun.
Maganda pa ba ako?
Ay, of
Ay,
course.
nako.
Oh, of course.
Organic
Of course,
Beauty
maganda
by
kasi we
JC
also
Premier.
have, aside from the health and wellness
Yes.
products, we also have our Klein skincare
Yes.
Wow.
from Korea.
Yeah.
Also,
I
yeah.
tried it
blush
actually.
ko.
I tried it.
My
I tried
blush
it.
tried it.
today.
Yeah, I'm trying
Oh,
to.
that's
Ikaw din.
wow!
Courtesy of Kristen Chi.
Oh, tita mo. Ako din, courtesy
Yeah,
of
yeah,
Christine.
yeah.
that's
Chi.
And it's
Kita mo
really
po,
nice.
Diba?
Yeah,
It's
also
really
what
I feel like I'm
product have you
glowing.
tried? What product have you tried? Oh my God.
Sorry, ito yung akin.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Nababawas ko yun sa
Sorry.
salary deduction.
Now, let me just ask you, what product have you used so far?
I did not
Ito
read
rin
the
ba?
caption, but it's like the
Miss
pink
Christine,
one.
what
Pink
did
one.
you
Yeah.
give to
It was like months ago, right? Okay.
the product that
Ano daw
the kind?
gamit mo?
Can I have
Sa
the kind product? That one. Here.
Yeah, that one.
I can.
That
Yeah,
one.
it's okay.
Feeling ni Francis
Oh my gosh.
blush.
I'll be the endorser next time.
Yes, since you're here and you said you use the
Yes.
Uy,
product,
sa'yo na daw
Yeah.
yan.
I just want to ask you. So
Okay.
how's the?
It's
so
actually
far?
nice. The very first thing I noticed, it's so refreshing for the skin. Kasi
Exactly.
malamig siya eh. And it's what I'm looking for the product. Kasi yung iba, medyo slimy na feel. But this one is not. I mean, it's even if you apply thinly, okay siya sa skin eh. And I somehow see the results.
Yun ang napansin
Yeah,
ko.
that
Sobrang
is-
tipid niya.
Yes, sobrang tipid.
niya. As in, konti lang. It's very, yung pigment niya. Ganyan.
I
Ayan, ito
see.
siya.
Okay.
Wow, thank you
Effortless.
so much for sharing your.
Alright. Baka pag uwi natin, bigyan pa tayo ng Ma'am Phoebe.
Gusto ko yung lahat ng kulay.
Yeah, of course. Ma'am, Annalyn. Paalam na
Oh,
tayo.
yeah.
Right?
Anyway.
Paano tayo bigyan sila?
Thank
Okay,
you.
so thank you so much na na-share nyo rin
Yes,
yung mga
yes.
nyo while
Actually,
using
nasa
your product.
trial
Yes.
phase ako ngayon.
Oh.
Doon
But
na
it's
kami.
working fine, so I don't have any regrets. It's really
Okay
nice.
naman,
for
ang
your
ganda ng
product.
kutis mo.
Ano
By the way, ito po ay hindi
Glass
ginagamit
skin na
sa
po
mukha.
ba?
You can use this also on your body.
Okay. And that I didn't know. I thought it's just for the face.
Oh, so,
I
ang
see.
dami pong mga gandang products pa. And they keep on innovating. Like for our barley. Okay, our barley, we have different variants now. We have for old but goodies. Yeah,
okay.
we have
Tapos meron
black barley as well. And we have also the collagen barley.
Wow,
So all of this will
collagen.
come to Qatar.
I see.
Yeah.
Wow. Lots of products.
Ang
Yeah, we
hinihintay
have
ko
lots.
po yung kape.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
So we have
also-
Na coffee.
No,
a good
it's
one.
really very delicious. I cannot compare it.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
incomparable.
Hindi na yata tayo matatapos dito.
Hindi na tayo matatapos.
I'm enjoying. I guess you guys are also enjoying. it.
Yeah, enjoying.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, may part 2 to.
Ay,
Ah, yes,
diba?
of course. And we will invite our other top
Yes.
wholesalers and distributor as well to talk.
Okay.
here.
I look forward to it. Actually, it's nice to hear a lot of inspiring stories kasi yun ang kailangan ng mga tao sa ngayon eh. They need to
Yes,
be
I know.
inspired. And I
Yeah.
think they need an example. They need someone to look up to. And I think it's the reason why we have you guys to join us every time we have a podcast to share your inspiring stories to all the Filipinos here in Doha. Not just here in Doha, but all over the globe.
Yes, and I would like to thank you, Sir Arvin.
Welcome po.
Yeah, for
Welcome po.
Miss Christine, for coming here and showing what JC can offer to
Yes.
everyone. So we are reaching the people across the globe that you still there is something that you can do more aside from kung ano man yung pinanghuhugutan nyo ngayon, kung ano man yung sitwasyon nyo ngayon.
It will end.
Yeah, it
It
will
will
end.
end.
It will end.
Yes.
We
Sabi
just
nga,
have
there's
to
a
change.
rainbow after the rain, sabi nga,
Yeah.
di ba?
Correct.
There's
Yeah.
no static storm. Lalagpas at lalagpas yan sa buhay nyo.
Yes.
And with that said, thank you so much guys for watching our live on Q this afternoon. This has been Francis together with Miss Ting of
Hey.
Ting Talk Show and Mom Phoebe from JC Premier. You guys have a wonderful Saturday. Thank you so much for watching. I want to share my shout out first to Joel Balyado TV. Good afternoon to you. Thank you. And more power to you guys. See you again next time here at JC Premier, live on Q with Francis. Bye, guys. Have a
Bye.
great
Happy weekend.
Saturday.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
And that's on cue for today. See you again next time.
We got lots of prizes in the upcoming days.
This is a diverse culture. It's not just Filipinos listening to us.
I know you guys are dying to get to them a ticket.
When I was your age, I never thought about these things.